Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this fun map reverse canvas. For the materials you'll need a canvas, a heat press or iron, t-shirt transfer paper, iron-on vinyl, stain, scissors, an X-Acto knife, a paintbrush, pliers, a staple gun, and a Cricut. First, flip over the canvas and use the X-Acto knife to remove the canvas from the frame. Then pull out all the staples. After that, stain the wood frame. Let it dry. I then printed maps on the transfer paper and cut out the words with my Cricut. Cut everything out. Then peel off the paper backing and line everything up where you'd like it. Cover it with a heat-safe paper and use the heat press or iron to stick it to the canvas. Do the same with the iron-on vinyl. Then line up the canvas on the back of the frame and staple it on. Cut off the excess canvas. And that's it! I love how this turned out, and it's such a cute way to commemorate special locations. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.